How to add fractions with similar denominators. Hello kids! If you don't have any problem in adding numbers, then I'm sure this must be very easy for you. Okay, let's try the first example. 4/5 plus 1/5. Okay, rule number 1, kapag kapareho ang denominator ng dalawang fractions, you just have to copy the denominator. So in these two fractions, the denominator is both 5. Okay, and then let's proceed to the basic addition of numbers. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. That will be your numerator. So rule number 2, 5 over 5 will equate to 1. This is the final answer. Kapag ang numerator at denominator ay magkapareho, laging ang final answer natin ay 1. Okay, let's try another example. 3 over 7 plus 2 over 7. Again, copy the denominator dahil pareho lang and proceed to your usual addition. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 5 over 7, 5 and 7 are not the same numbers, so hindi natin i-apply yung rule na ginamit natin sa una kung saan nag-equate siya sa 1. Hindi rin ito pwedeng i-convert into lowest term dahil lowest term na po ang 5 over 7. So this is the final answer. Okay, how to reduce fractions to their lowest term or lowest form. Okay, so let's try the third example. So let's have 3 over 8 plus 1 over 8. This is equal to, pareho ang denominator. Just copy the denominator and proceed to your usual addition. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Hindi po ito ang final answer because this can still be reduced to its lowest term. How? Both are multiples or divisible by 4, so we still have to further divide this both terms by 4. So numerator, 4 divided by 4, you get 1, and 8 divided by 4, you get 2. This is the lowest term. Kapag sinabi po nating lowest term, mas maliit yung numbers kaysa nandoon sa initial na answer, while this will be the final answer.